Hey, what's up, everyone? Several things to talk about. First, Simba is back. He's home. He's safe. We brought him back from the vet, and we gave him the medicine, and he's sitting outside to rest right now. He's sitting right on the back porch, and so that's great news. We gave him the medicine and everything, the first 2 doses just earlier. And another thing I was going to say is the pains, the aches and pains that I'm having are still just all over. I'm hurting all over. I'm so sore, and a lot of people several people seem to be very sore and achy for no reason. Now, I've got 2 things to talk about technology-wise. I have very short time left to talk, but they are building a data center near us that's going to be, they say, larger than the Empire State Building, longer than the Empire State Building, or something like that. And then they're going to build another data center. They're building 2 huge data centers near, well, by near, I mean like 20, 25 miles, 30 miles, if that. And it's going to house, this data center is just going to house so much data. They said no one really knows who bought it. They bought it for like a whopping amount of money, and it's probably going to raise taxes without a doubt, but they bought it for a lot of money, and they're putting in a huge data center, getting rid of a lot of wooded land. Very sad if you ask me about that, but I mean you know, with all this technology expanding all the time, they're putting in data centers in places all the time, but it's going to look weird seeing huge data centers where there was field and woods. But anyway, they're building 2. Secondly, but also, besides the pains and aches, I was going to tell everyone that now they've approved facial recognition and the biometrics in all places. They said they approved a bill. It just swept through. No matter what the president seems to say, no matter what anyone says, they just approved it on both sides. The government, quote unquote, got together and said that they approved where they have to have facial recognition very soon everywhere. Facial recognition and the biometrics, the biothermal imaging, thermal scans to know what your body temperature is and who you are, and log that in the system, in the cloud at all times. Now that's going to be really annoying. What if your body temperature is hot like me a lot of times because my stomach, my gut has problems, and it causes my face to be hot, and it looks like I have a hot body temperature, but yet it's not always because I'm sick. It's just a fever that doesn't have to do with any of this mess, but that's what they're going to do. They've approved that no matter what. And the president, he said you're not tearing down statues of Jesus. You're not tearing down statues anymore, thankfully. And he said if you do, it could be 10 years in prison, thousands of dollars of fines, but yet they're rising up against and saying, let's destroy this country. What is wrong with these people? What is wrong with all of them? They're saying that we're going to keep going until we destroy everything and start over. That's what they said on national TV, and they let them get by with this. But yet, a while back, and they're blaming all of the spreading on churches. That's what they're blaming it on. Kind of ironic, isn't it? They're blaming the spreading of this virus on churches. But yet, at the same time, masses of millions of people going places and gathering and protesting, rioting, that's not causing it. Bull crap. And then now we have other viruses spreading, other illnesses, animals getting sick, all kinds of mess. New viruses coming out of China, CHINA, can't say the name without causing problems, triggering. And these terror organizations, these organizations, you might as well call them, rising up and wanting to destroy everything. Technology was going too far and is going too far, but they're still allowing it now. Those in the deep control are, and they're still going to expand it. It seems prophetically that things are unfolding, but we've just got to keep our eyes open and try to help each other out. I'm telling you, it's crazy. It's really crazy. But they're building a huge data servers and data centers near us, so to house data or data. They're not telling who. They assume it's Facebook. Now, that doesn't make any sense when you allow a mysterious data center. That makes no sense. Mystery owner. That doesn't add up. That doesn't make sense. They said a mysterious someone. They said they don't know who, but someone bought it. They're just guessing that it's Facebook. But anyway, they're going to require this biometrics, facial recognition, and body imaging, thermal imaging scanners to find out body temperature and everything and who you are at all times. But this president says, as long as I'm president, there will be no vandalizing. There will be no more vandalizing. He's signing a bill next week to make it really easy to stop this. Hopefully make it easy. But yet they hate him every step of the way. But, you know the times in which we're in. Have you seen the Sahara dust cloud yet? It's supposed to be coming over this weekend. I've honestly never known it to hit our state, the state of Tennessee, before. I am so achy. I don't know what the deal is, but it's crazy. But if you see the Sahara dust cloud, let me know. Peace and signing out.